Thank you. Welcome back. We have more examples now in prime numbers. All of us now, we know what are prime numbers. We have said that prime numbers are numbers which have two factors, or prime numbers are numbers which are divisible by one and itself. Very good definition. Sasa tunafanyaje kupata prime numbers? Tunafanyaje? First of all, first four prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, and 7. These are prime numbers which are between 0 and 10, which is 2, 3, 5, and 7. There is that popular question, they say, why number 2 is both even number and prime number? Number 2 is both even number and prime number because 2 is multiple of 2. That's why we say even number or is divisible by 2. Also 2 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 in itself, which is, it has two factors. So 2 is both. Number 1 is not a prime number. Number 1 is odd number. So first four prime number, I want you to remember this, is 2, 3, 5, and 7. We'll use this number several times when we come to prime factorization. Now, let me help you how to get prime numbers which are between 10, let's say, between 10 and 100. How to get prime numbers which are between 10 and 100. Let's say somebody is asking a question. List all prime numbers which are between 10 and 20. Now, how do we get them? Simple. If you want to list all numbers, it's okay. But me, I encourage you. Yeah, you can list 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. These are numbers which are between. After that, remove all multiples of 2, 3, 5, and 7. Remove all multiples of 2, 3, 5, and 7. Remaining number will be prime numbers. Remove all multiples. We start multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 means those numbers which are divisible by 2. This one is, remove this, remove this, remove this, and also remove this one. Multiples of 2, already removed it. After that, remove multiples of 3. Numbers which are divided by 3. We'll check later in detail when we come to multiples. Multiple of 3 here. This is this one. Okay. Remove multiple of 5. Also multiple of 5 is multiple of 3. Already gone. Multiple of 7. No multiple of 7. Remaining number, prime number. 11, 13, and 17. 17 and 19. These are prime numbers. So you just list the numbers and then remove multiples of 2, 3, 5, and 7. How do you know these are multiples? They are divided. For example, I remove number 6, 12 here because by 2 is 6. 14 by 2 is 7. 16 by 2 is 8. 18 by 2 is 9. Multiple of 3, in this question we have 15. Also multiple of 5 is 15. So I remove this one. The remaining 11, 13, 17, and 19, these are prime numbers. Prime numbers zenyewe zilivyo katika usomaji wako wa table wote, hutozikuta katikati zenyewe. Hutosikia 6 times this number, the answer is 41. Never, ever. Only 1 times 41. Hutosikia 7 times this number, the answer is 47. Never. Why? Prime numbers are 1 times 47. Only 2 factors. That is why I told you can list all numbers. Some people, they are skipping to list even number, but for beginner, I encourage you, list all numbers which are between. If they say from, start from that number and then enter the number. After that, remove multiple of 2, 3, 5, and 7. This one is working if those numbers between prime numbers which are between 10 and above. But from 0 to between 0 and 10, use 2, 3, 5, and 7. Let me give you some few questions here and do them. Prime numbers. Play this game here. It's very easy, and do it several times. Some say claim, which I don't encourage you to claim prime numbers. I encourage you to use this way of listing this one. So list all prime numbers. This is exercise, which are between 0 and 10, 20, 'God bless you. Next video will be prime factorization. Ciao.